Do you want better insight into your business? Do you know how to make your data work for you? Would you like actionable, clear, and beautifully designed reports instantly? Business Central Insights is a suite of extensive pre-designed Power BI reports for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. You will get in-depth insight into your business's sales, finance, and operations. Reporting has never been so easy. Deep insight instantly. Focus in real time on what's working, what needs to change, and never ever overspend again. Accurate decisions instantly. No need to wait months for reports to be designed, validated, tested, and installed. Available as a pay-as-you-go subscription, offers instant return on your investment. Grow your business instantly. Business Central Insights, your perfect reporting partner. Powerful insight instantly.